First, go to your Google apps, Google Chrome. So when you go into the Google Chrome, then sign up with your Google AdSense. Then, after you come to your Google AdSense, click the three dash line on the upper side. After that, go to your payment section. So you just click the payment. Then you need to add payment method. So after that, you need to sign up to all the details of your bank account, your bank details, your names. It must be correct and same, so you don't have any problem. Then you will see your how to get paid color is gray, not black. So then the Google AdSense will send you email that your primary method is changed. Then after that, if you will receive the money, you will check the payment, and that's all. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Very easy.